Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a fun stocking gift card holder using products from Pixie Dust Designs. So these are the products we're going to be using. We're going to use the Let It Snow pattern paper pack, the Holly Jolly stamp set for the sentiment. It also has coordinating dies you can get. And I'm going to be using the frame word dies. I'll have the exact name listed below, along with the Xmas Pals and the stocking gift card holder die set. And there is the other part of that. So I've already cut out all my pieces for my little project. So I've just picked my cardstock and cut them out. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little ink blending first before I put everything together. And we're going to do a little ink blending. And I'm going to be using a little aged mahogany for that. And I'm just going to go around the edge. Of our little toe piece. And our little heel piece. And we'll do the same thing to our cranberries. And my little reindeer nose. I think that's all the red. All right, for my little holly, I'm going to add just a little bit of pine needles to those. I don't need a lot. Just want to add just a little bit of shadow. I'm going to add a little bit to my reindeer. So I'm going to use walnut stain. I'm just going to pick a side I want to be darker and leave it like that. Up under his little eye there, because there would be a cast shadow there, so we're gonna add a little detail there. And then to his little feet, I don't think I need to worry about the antlers and the hooves, but we'll go ahead and add just a little bit there also. And I got ink up under my fingernails. So I apologize for that. But I did have a little accident before filming this video. With the Distress Ink re-inkers. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment on my little label here. And I'm going to use the Sentiment Holly Jolly Christmas, because I want to give this enough time to dry. So I'm going to stamp that in VersaFine Claire Fallen Leaf ink. It's a nice dark brown ink. way I can set that to the side, let that dry before we put our card together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start building my pieces. I'm gonna start off by putting together the reindeer. That way we can set him to the side and let him dry. I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to make this easier. Add my antlers. And there are etched lines on the die cuts, so you know exactly where to line everything up. As with all the Pixie Dust Designs dies, they make it super easy to create your projects. All right, here's our little nose. And for the white, I chose to use shimmer cardstock so that it would have just a little bit of sparkle in there. I'm gonna flip this over and we're gonna do the back of his ears. You could cut that off from the same cardstock. I chose to use different colors. Now for his little feet, we're gonna add in the his hooves. Hooves. I'm gonna set those back over there. And then we're gonna add his little eyes. I'm just gonna add a little glue. Pop his eyes into place. All right, so there's my little reindeer finished for now. So we will go ahead and set that to the side, let it dry. I'm going to go ahead and attach my sentiment here to our matte layer. And I just picked one of those label dies larger and just cut that out of the same red cardstock I used. That way everything matches. Now I'm going to bring in my pieces for my stocking gift card holder. I'm gonna go ahead and add my toe piece. And again, this has the etched lines from the dies, so you know exactly where to line it up. If you can see all the etched lines right there, so you know exactly where to line everything up at. I'm gonna add my toe, the heel piece, I'm sorry, of our stocking. And I cut the slider and the stocking from the same pattern paper. I'm gonna wait to attach that. All right, this is my pocket for the gift card. So we're gonna go ahead and fold those score lines. Make sure everything's nice and creased. Then I'm going to slide my pocket in there to make sure everything slides up and out. And that die cuts out the little place that holds the gift card holder, or holds the gift card. So we can actually go ahead and slide our gift card in. So that will be ready. I'm going to add just a little liquid glue along our pocket. You could use tape if you wanted to. I'm going to slide it over right in there. Should fit right into place. That way, when we flip it over, we do not see anything besides the glue Rick just got all over it. So now I can take my gift card and slide that into our little pocket. And then I'm going to add my stocking topper here. Go the right way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little reindeer, before I get him all attached down, I'm going to add him to the top of my little pull tab here. That way he's going to look like he's peeking out of our stocking. And then I'm going to add his little hooves on the front. Like he's peeking out. Then I'm going to layer up my little holly pieces, because that's going to go on as our decoration as well. So you have two pieces of the holly. You have one that cuts out the top layer and one that cuts out the underneath layer. You just line those up. And pop them into place. That. Let's layer our berries up. I won't add our shadow layer. There. We're going to go ahead and attach our holly. And my sentiment, I'm also going to pop up as well. And then to finish this off, I'm going to add a few little highlights. With a white gel pen. And then I'm going to add just a little glitter to his nose. So we all need a little glitter at Christmas. And there is my finished gift card holder. All you gotta do is pull it out, slide it out, and there's your gift card. And I would just put this in a 5x7 envelope. Or a 5x7 envelope, or actually I'd probably just hand deliver it, but if I was going to mail it, I would put it in a 5x7 envelope and mail it. All right, that's my project. There's a closer look at it. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, stay crafty.